Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. For over 25 years, I've deployed ERP applications for some of the world's largest organizations. During that time, I've taught thousands of people just like you how to discover, use, deploy, and support Oracle's back office applications. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you what artificial intelligence is, and then show you if artificial intelligence is used within Oracle Cloud. Please note that this lesson is part of the Oracle Cloud Explorer course. But before we get started, did you know that you could earn free discovery badges for display on your LinkedIn profile just by watching videos like this one? You can. Stay until the end of this video and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started. Key topics for this lesson are as follows. What is artificial intelligence? Chatbots, digital assistants, in-application expert, and AI versus configuration. Topic 1, what is artificial intelligence? In computer science, artificial intelligence, sometimes called machine intelligence, is intelligence demonstrated by machines, in contrast to the natural intelligence displayed by humans. Topic 2, what are chatbots? So you can see the chatbot in the bottom of the image here on the right. Chatbots most often appear as instant message chats with someone on the other end. They're used to point to static content or direct you to a department for instant messaging in real time. They often perform the routing of sales or service inquiries, and they're geared to if-then logic binary options, most often text-based. And lastly, they can be restrictive and can frustrate users. Next up, digital assistants. Digital assistants leverage natural language processing to better interact with a wider variety of audiences. So this is already, we can see how this is a next generation chatbot. They also integrate with newer platforms where customers and employees live, so phone messaging, Facebook, Slack, Siri, Alexa, and more. And they're expanding into newer task types, flight reservation, expense reporting, meeting scheduling, etc. In fact, probably one of the better examples that I could see when I was inside Oracle is my ability to simply text a receipt into Oracle, and it would know where to put that receipt and the detailed values it would strip from that receipt and add it to my current expense report. So those were examples of artificial intelligence. Now, topic 4 is in-app expert. So you can see, based on the image here, that there's a series of steps to create a contract along the top. While this is guiding and progress, etc., this is not artificial intelligence, it's simply a series of steps. Topic 5, artificial intelligence versus configuration. So here I chose to use the transaction account builder, which is certainly more complex than an in-app expert. In this scenario, a transaction definition defines a rule which goes and gets a different mapping set of values based on sources, and then it sets either one account or an entire accrual or expense account string. Much more complicated, involves some branching, etc. But this again is configuration, not AI. So we've given 2 examples of AI and 2 examples where it is not AI. You should now understand what artificial intelligence is, what chatbots and digital assistants are, what in-application experts and configuration are. If you don't, watch it again, it's free. If you do, congratulations, you're ready for the next video lesson. So that's the end of this presentation, but it doesn't have to be the end of your learning journey. We have thousands of free videos just like this one. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. We want to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Okay, as promised, here are the 5 steps you can perform today to start earning free badges for your LinkedIn profile. Step 1, navigate to Panameer.com and either sign in or join now. It's free. Step 2, in the upper left, under the Discover menu, select the course that you want to watch and get badged for. Step 3, watch all of the different video lessons in that course. Step 4, when it's complete, send your LinkedIn profile and the course you watched and your user ID to badges@panameer.com. And then sit back and wait for step 5 when we attach a badge to your LinkedIn profile.